In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your personal life in Asana. First, log into Asana and create a personal project. Think of this as your home base. Click to create a new project, choose a simple list or board layout, and name it something like personal tasks so it's easy to find later. Keep it private so it's just for you. This project will hold everything from errands to long-term goals, so starting with a clean, clear structure will pay off. Next, start adding tasks for your daily errands, goals, and habits. Make each one specific and actionable. Instead of exercise, try 20-minute run, and instead of budget, try review monthly spending. You can use separate tasks for habits you repeat, or create a single task with recurring schedules. Add brief descriptions or links if you need context, like a shopping list or a reference document. Now put Asana's scheduling tools to work. Add due dates to your tasks to give them a clear target. If it's time sensitive, include a due time. For repeating activities, set recurring due dates so they resurface automatically, daily, weekly, or monthly. Turn on reminders so Asana nudges you at the right moment. This can be through email or mobile notifications depending on your settings. For clarity, tag tasks with priority, high, medium, or low, so you know what truly needs attention first. If you prefer, keep it simple with a label or an emoji in the task name to signal urgency. To stay organized, group tasks with sections or custom fields. Sections could be today, this week, and later, or you might prefer categories like home, health, finances, and learning. If your plan includes custom fields, add a priority field or an effort field to sort and filter quickly. The goal is to make scanning your list effortless, so you can decide what to do next without overthinking. Don't be afraid to experiment with layouts. A board can be great for moving tasks across stages, while a list is ideal for quick capture and sorting. Finally, review and update your tasks regularly to stay on track. Do a quick daily check-in to plan your day and adjust due dates, and a weekly sweep to clean up, reschedule, or break big items into smaller steps. Mark completed tasks as done. Seeing progress builds momentum. If something no longer matters, archive or delete it. This simple habit keeps your project accurate and your mind clear. By following these steps, Asana becomes a reliable system that supports your goals and daily life with minimal friction.